Hey everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. How are you? I'm good. So I got my Temu order in last week and I ripped it up. I ripped the bag open because I wanted to make sure everything was in there, and it is. So now let's take a look at what's in here. Now I'll tell you the prices as we go along. Okay, so this may not be that interesting. Or maybe it will. Maybe you need one. I have not tried this out. They're still in the bags. This is to put down your sink, and looks like you squeeze it to pull out the guck. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot eventually. So this thing was $1.98 Canadian. All right, so let's see. I got three. Got 3 packages of these bags. They're transparent. There are 5, I believe, in each one. They have handles. And, you know, they're not really big, but they're plastic. Okay, so let me just show you one. This is what they're like. So I thought those are cute. Those are cute, transparent, you know, for small projects, right? You can see your project in there. So I thought that was pretty cool. I mean, they are plastic, but they seem pretty good. Just looking at the sides here. Sides are like that. It's not a flat bottom. And they look like mesh, but they're just plastic. Yeah. So 5 per pack, and these are $1.58 for 5. Did you guys move on me? $1.58 for a pack of 5. That's pretty good, right? Okay, so I got 3 packs. And then, oh my goodness, these are crochet hooks. And this is the exact same set that I have. Now I got one from Amazon with a case. I think they were something like $13, $14, and then shipping, because I don't have the Prime thingy, because I don't order from them enough. And then I got another one from, I think it was AliExpress. I can't remember how much they were. But this whole set from Temu is $9.99 Canadian. Okay, exact same hooks that I have that I love. I love that I use all the time. Okay, let me just take this out of the bag. Ooh. Okay, so, oopsies. Okay, so I just want to see, they start at 2mm. And they're all different colors. They're really nice. 2mm, and they go to, I believe, let's see, I believe it's a 6. They go to a 6. And these ones are longer. These are they go past your hand. The shorter ones I don't like because they press on my hand right there, and it makes my hand ache in that spot. So that is one reason I love these so much. So if you like the longer hooks with like longer handle, these are great. And they're what do you call, ergonomic? And they're like a rubberized. I mean, this is plastic here, So those pieces are hard, but the rest of it is sort of soft. I mean, you can't really, well, can't really push your fingers into it, but it's a rubber type deal. But there's that indentation there. Yeah, for your thumb or whatever you put there. But I really, really love these. And $9.99, and I got 2 sets. Got birds, got 2 sets. Okay, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They're 9-piece set. They're my favorite I've ever used because they're nice and long. Okay. So then I got some storage, large storage bags, I guess you call them. I got 2 packages. I think there's just 1 in each package. I think you can get them in different colors as well. So let me open this up because I was going through my crochet stuff in my closet, doing that little series. So this, I'm gonna fit these in. I mean, I'm gonna put some of my crochet stuff in to store. Okay, let me see, how does this work? I might have to stand up. Okay. Okay, let me get this straightened out here. It's a flat bottom right here. That's the bottom. That's the top of it. The sides have handles. Feels good. It's I don't know how strong it is, but it does feel good. And this is the front. You can actually see what you have in there. Yeah, so hold this up. So that's how big it is. And the top is zippered closed. Okay, the zipper doesn't go all the way around, but uh-oh. Okay, it was, okay, the zipper was kind of pulling apart, but I don't know, we have the 2 zipper things so you can put them like in the middle and open it from either side. Let's see. Okay, it's running smoothly right now. That's the, let's see, okay, so it opens up to there. So that's the inside. Yeah. It actually smells very clean. Very clean. So I thought that would be good to put my crochet items in that I'm going to be hanging on to. Yeah. It looks like it's going to hold quite a bit. I don't know the size. Does it say a size? Made in China. I think most of their products are. But it doesn't say a size on the package. But yeah, so I got 2 of those. So when I put some crochet items in, I will show you. That'll be part, what am I up to? Part 4 for the What's in Your Closet series. You guys going through your closets and getting your stuff all your crochet and knitting and whatever, getting it all organized. Yeah, and selling it or donating it and just, you know. Yeah, so 2 of these. I got 2 of these. They're called large storage something. They were $6.68 Canadian. So, in Canada, I guess if you spend, is that all I got? Oh yeah, that's all I got. If you spend over $20, I believe it's, that's what you have to spend to get free shipping, or I don't know. But sometimes they have, they have sales all the time. So I don't know if any of these are on sale, but I think they're pretty good prices and they're things I can use, right? Okay. So now, let's just take a look here. Oh, all right. So these bags, these transparent bags, 5 in a pack. And this set of crochet hooks, there's a giveaway. Don't tell anybody. I do want you to tell somebody though. Share this video. Okay, so yeah. So these little bags, 5 of them in here, and this set of crochet hooks, I'm giving away right now. So you guys, comment below, just say anything nice, and you'll be entered. The rules will be down below, so make sure you read those, because when you comment, that means you've read them and you understand them. Okay, this will be open worldwide. I may stick a couple of other goodies in there. I'm not sure. Maybe, maybe not. I think oh, of course, there's going to be a weird looking pen. A weird looking pen. One of those pens I got from Temu last time. So I don't know which one yet. It'll be a surprise. And then a notebook as well. All right. I think I'm out of chocolate because I think I ate the last chocolates that I bought. But anyway, giveaway. Tell everybody. All right. So that's it. Oh, how long is it going to run? It's March 28th, I believe. This will run till, where's my calendar? Oh, gee whiz, where'd it go? It slid behind. One moment, please. All right, let's run it until April 10th. Let me double check. April 10th. That's a Monday. And that's 2 weeks from now. So, April 10th. All right, you guys. I wish everybody the best. And I'll see you all as soon as I can. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.